Hi everybody. So we're going to do cooking class a little bit differently. So we're not going to make a big mess like we do in class. But what we're going to do is we're going to use some things that you'll probably have at home. We're going to make rainbow toast. And the first thing that you'll need is sweetened condensed milk, food coloring, bread, and a paintbrush. If you don't have sweetened condensed milk, you can use plain yogurt. And if you don't have food coloring, you can use things like berries, like raspberries would make a good red food paint for you, or blueberries would make blue paint, and then blackberries would make like a dark purple paint for you. So the first step is to make rainbow toast is we're just gonna paint our rainbow onto our bread.
And now you can take your bread and put it in the toaster.